Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So now I'm gonna tell you guys about my journey.
Wow.
This is my journey of my life. That is myself, my family, my unforgettable moment, and my dream. So let's start with myself. Everyone knows me as Rahma. People always say that I'm a cheerful girl. I'm grateful to hear that, but I have a bad habit actually. I hate myself when I always compare myself with others. Like, why can't I be like them? Like that. And when I think about it, I feel tired. And I believe God created us with measure, and everyone has their own measure to life. And when I enter adulthood, I learn to accept everything about myself. No matter what it is, I learn how to love myself more. And this year, I got to know myself better after I experiencing many failures. That's myself and my family. My family is like the moon. They are my heart and soul. They cannot describe it by the words. They are who support me in everything I do. Even they are calming me down when I was rejected by the university. They offered me to change test and to change the like an independent and private test. They are who once care most about my dreams, even when I love my dreams. And my mom, when I love my dreams, they never demand anything for me. Actually, they're only wants her child being healthy here. And my mom never allows to her child to being away from her, because she said like, we only have 2 children. And here, but I know they never demand anything about me. But I know they have many hopes for me. Yeah. And next, my unforgettable moment. This is my unforgettable moment. Perhaps a few weeks ago, I already shared about my unforgettable moment. Yeah, that was one of them. This is my unforgettable moment when I rejected by the University of course, and it's the announcement during Ramadan. And when I opened my result and my result was come and I rejected, the red result made me stressed out. I stayed in my room and cried. And when I was rejected and got the red result, it made me fasting from morning until morning again. I don't enthusiastic to get to iftar or sahur, and I didn't do tarawih for days. And when everyone asked me about my results, I became very sensitive person and emotional person. My tears flowed automatically. Yeah, this is the picture when the results come. This is my name. Yeah, this is so. I will never be able to forget this moment because it gave me a lot of lesson. Yeah. And in the past 2 years, I joined the competition. I joined a lot of competition. A lot of participated for competition for got the certificate. For I applied the university and I lose it. And by the way, this picture I took when my friends took when I make sample for science competition in Bogor. So this is I make the sample and make an innovation with my friends. There is make litmus paper from Mars, and we just entered top 10 or top 3. cried on the road and thought like, can I do this? Like can I do this? And that question always goes in my mind. Yeah, and I'm very sad. But from here, I learned a lot of lessons. I become a major like that. So why I face English here? Because when I was child, I love English. So like I thought like people who speak English, it's very awesome. It's very nice. Like I'm curious about English. So when I was child, I learning about English. I learning about watching movie and my dad always watching a Western movie after he back work from working. So that's why he can speak English bit by bit. So and next to my dream. Talking about my dream, maybe you have to hear that at this age, everyone's still searching about identity. Everyone's still searching for their dreams. Yeah, I was on the track. But yeah, and when everyone asks me what I want to be, sometimes for the answer I confuse what I want to be like that. And for this duty, maybe my answer is still the same. It's being nutritionist in IPB University, so that's why I face the nutritionist and IPB University. Yeah, and my biggest dream is I want to study abroad at this university. This is University of Sydney in Australia, and this is the buildings.
Amin.
So if I can study there, I want to choose medicine and healthy major. I have an Australian friend. Last October, she visited my family, and a few years ago, I have to told her that I want to study abroad, and they give me a lot of information of this university. She gave me a lot of information of scholarship from the university to international student. So I want to hear why I love this university. I really love this university because the building is like a Harry Potter movie, because I am a Potterhead, so you can see the building. This building is like Harry Potter movie. It's similar with the film. Yeah. If I can study there, I hope in the future I can visit this there to holiday or to visit to see the university. Thank you so much. I think thank you so much. Thanks for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.